This is crucial for you. This is vital. This is going to change your world. Never ever assume anything, even if you've been in your industry for 20 years, even if you've been working at your company for a decade, even if you've been working at your company for 50 years, and you've solved this problem 100,000 times. Never, ever, ever assume anything. Never assume you know why somebody wants something. Never assume you know the value that them achieving that goal is going to bring to them. Even if you're right in your assumption, by you assuming, you're not driving home the value with your prospect. Think about that. If you were a doctor and you walked into a patient's room, took one look at that patient and goes, hey, you've got the gobbledygook 23 strain and take 3 of these pills, I'm out, right? That patient's going to be like, what just happened? They didn't even ask me a single question. That doctor may know from your lab work exactly what's wrong with you, exactly what the medication is. That patient's probably also going to try and sue you for medical malpractice. Never assume anything. You want to have a dialogue with each and every one of your prospects. They deserve that from you. Even when you know what the answer is, by you assuming, oh man, I know exactly what's going on here. Here, do this, this, and this, and this. You're not giving them what they deserve. They deserve to have you learn about their situation. They deserve to have you ask some questions. They deserve to have a two-way dialogue so that you can communicate the value of them solving that problem, the value of them getting the solution that they're looking for. That's where the value is. When you assume, you wipe all the value clean. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs, so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.